Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter I4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.